The 2024 Chevrolet Traverse is set to undergo significant changes, boasting a more square-shaped and sportier exterior compared to the current model. Recently, a test mule of Chevy's three-row midsize SUV was spotted being tested on public roads with minimal black and white camouflage. The new Traverse will feature a blunter and more memorable front-end design, featuring stacked front lighting with slim LEDs above large side air intakes. This design shares a strong family resemblance with Chevy's compact Blazer and subcompact Trailblazer SUVs. The large gloss black front grille with an X-shaped mesh pattern and a rectangular lower intake beneath it will be more vertically oriented than the current Traverse's prow, in line with the recent trend of SUVs appearing more rugged and less like crossovers. At the rear of the 2024 Traverse tester, a subtle spoiler extends the roof slightly beyond the rear window. Although the glass area between the rear doors and tailgate is covered, it seems to have a similar shape to that of the 2023 Traverse, indicating that Chevy has prioritized outward visibility over impractical SUV designs. While the current Chevrolet Traverse is a solid midsize SUV option with ample interior space and cargo capacity and a strong 310 horsepower V6 engine, it does not excel in any one area. The updated 2024 Traverse promises a bolder exterior, more features, and, hopefully, an upgrade to the current model's plasticky cabin. It remains to be seen whether a plug-in version is in the works, and more details will be revealed closer to the Chevy SUV's official reveal later this year.